channel. It's me again, Zaidi Galsote. Good afternoon. This video, I'm here now in Qatar Outlet Exhibition. We have a lot of luxury needs, of affordability, of all different garments, different savings, different outlets here, different products here, and DECC Convention Center here in DECC. So let's go guys, we can check one by one all the products outlet here. Okay, after the Qatar Expo, I came here again for the exhibition. So I'm here, I want to introduce you one by one guys. Wala, grabe. So more on Paris and ayan, ang dami ng mga panlamig guys. Ayan. They have a lot of jewelries. Ayan, from Paris, the Kinso, Blue Salon. Ayan, all the jewelries here. So, tamang-tama may mga panlamig na dito. So, for the men's fashion, talagang grabe. Para siyang, guys, okay, but class A na mga okay na branded. Ayan, pwede rin tayong mga mag-painting. See, for the kids. And, ayan, very nice. So, mag-check tayo, guys. Ayan, mag-ikot-ikot tayo. May mga branded bags, perfume, beauty gallery. Hi! This is from Iran. This is the Iran products. This is 3 for 100, guys. 3 for 100. This is Iran. This is for keto bags, no? Wow. See? Andi dito na kasi magdi-December na, guys. So, iba-iba po na branded ng iba-ibang nationality, iba-ibang countries na products. So, sayang, no? Nag-display sana ako dito ng GC Premier products. So, they have bags, fashion, luggage, no? Ayan. This is from Europe and Paris, no? Kaya, at the same time, habang gumagala po tayo is we can make the business na magkailangan nating, ayan, they have a coffee, ayan, meron siyang espresso, so wow, the best. Now, 10 real. So, ang sarap dito mag-shopping guys until December 6. Wow, mura na yung luggage, no? Ayan, for the cleaning company, mayroon po tayo dito mga product. Ayan, guys. So, mura na yung mga luggage. Ang dami ko nakikitang bibit-bit ng luggage. Ayan. This is a very big luggage, no? Ayan, guys.
रोल ऑफ की हो यार